So, it's all done and dusted.
It's looking good.
Yeah, but here are the things we wish we had known before we started the renovation.
There's 6 of them. So trades coming into your home for 3 or 4 weeks will ruin your floors. So either A, keep the drop sheets down, or just cop it and replace the carpet.
Like you did.
Because we played with the levels on the floors a bit, we had to really raise the bed of the bathroom. There's a little bit of a step up, but that's just what happens with existing builds. So now we've got to trim our door down so the door fits.
If you're a diva like Shannon, he's going to go with the organic tiles.
What's wrong with organic tiles? They're nice and they're tactile and they're bumpy and everything. But because they're not flat, fitting off flat fixtures is going to be a bit of a punish. Light switches, your power points, taps.
Your square bathroom looks square.
It wasn't square. Because this is an old building, we had to square it up as we went along. Because as soon as you put a square tile in an unsquare room, it looks out of whack. So you've got to get good trades to make sure everything is square. Think about what impact that floor plan has on the other rooms.
Yeah, you could have neighbours below, which can be very tricky to gain access.
But my kitchen was below, so now my kitchen's got a big hole in the ceiling. So even though the bathroom is done, Simon here's got to plaster down the ceiling.
No, not plastering. This guy's not plastering.
I've got to find a plasterer. I sort of wish that I knew that all the little things add up. You know what I mean? Whether that's mitered tiles, architectural ceilings.
Being a diva and having everything perfect.
Having expensive plumbers.
I'm not expensive.
Everything adds up, so it's important to make sure that you've got a little bit in your budget left for the unknown.
So there's always going to be something that you're going to learn along the way.
So with these 6 tips, we hope that you can learn from Simon's mistakes.
It's not our mistake.
No.
It's our mistake.